After I have opened up Microsoft Access on my computer, I'm going to go ahead and double click on Blank Database. Then I need to create the fields for my table, so I'm going to change the view to Design View and name my table Suspect List. Next, I need to enter all of my field names in this column and all of the data types for those fields in this column. So if you go ahead and follow me, you can pause this video as you need to and then come back to it. Why don't you work on this together with me? So my first field name is ID and it's auto-signed the auto number, which is good. So I'm going to go ahead and go to the next field. My next field is name. And I am going to leave that as a data type of text. My next field is gender, and if I tab over, it says the data type is text, so I'm going to leave it text. My next field is date of birth. I'm going to abbreviate that as DOB. And for this, I'm going to change the data type to date time. My next field is salary, and I'd like to change the data type of salary currency. My next field is hair, so I'm going to change the data type to text. Actually, it was already text as default, so I'm going to leave it as text. Eyes, text. Height, text. Build, text. And then glasses is a yes or no data type, so I'm going to change that to yes or no. So notice I left all of my data types as text except for the ID, which is auto number, date of birth, which is date and time, salary, which is currency, and glasses, which are yes or no. Next, I'm going to double click on Suspect List in the navigation pane. And then I'm going to start entering the information into the table. Now, I'm just going to take you through a few records from the table so that you get the hang of this. And then I think that once I have shown you a few records, you will be able to do this on your own. So first I have ID and it auto signs it. It's an auto number, so I do not need to type anything there. But under name, I'm going to type the name for my table. The first record is Annville. The gender is F for female. Date of birth is 12/12/1978, and you have to type that out in a date format for it to enter correctly. And then salary is 30,000. Now, if I just type in 30,000 here, the currency will actually format that for me as a dollar amount. And then I'm going to type hair. Her hair is black. Her eyes are brown. Her height is short. Build is medium. And she does not wear glasses, so I'm not going to check mark this box. And just so that you know, I am tabbing over to each field to make it a little bit easier on myself instead of having to click in each one. All right, next is Kitty Litter, and her gender is F for female. Her date of birth is 5/6/1972. Her salary is 45,000. Hair is black. Eyes are brown. Height is short. Build is small, and she does not wear glasses. All right, next record is Crisco. That is a female, so I'm going to put a capital F there. And by the way, it is very important that you use the correct data because you want to remember that when we go to actually use this information later, because if you put the wrong type of information or you don't capitalize it correctly, it might not produce the results that we want. So please make sure that you are double checking yourself and being accurate from what the table says. Crisco is $30,000. Black, brown, tall, small, and Crisco does not wear glasses. All right, let's go ahead and do another record. Be Gone. It's a female. Date of birth is 6/21/1912. $8,000 for the salary. Blonde, blue, short, small and does not wear glasses. Okay, one more record. Sherry Wine. Female, 9/2/1973 is her date of birth. She makes $70,000 for her salary, and she has brown hair, green eyes. She is short. She has a small build, and she does wear glasses, so I'm going to put a check mark there for yes. So based on those records, hopefully you get the idea on how we're entering information. You're going to be entering 16 records here, so you're just going to continue to follow this pattern using your table.